Hello everyone, today we're going to learn some cooking verbs. Okay, let's start. To chop. He is chopping the onion. To slice. He is slicing the cucumber. To stir. He is stirring the soup. To fry. He is frying the chicken. To deep fry. He is deep frying the shrimps. To stir fry. He is stir frying everything together. So the difference between these three is that with deep frying, there's a lot of oil. With frying, there's a little bit of oil. And with stir frying, there's like a drop of oil. It's very, very small. Okay? Next. To grate. He is grating the cheese. To peel. He is peeling the orange. To boil. He is boiling the eggs. To pour. He is pouring tea. To knead. He is kneading the dough. To mix. He is mixing the salad. To spread. He is spreading Nutella on the toast. To roast. He is roasting the chicken. To whisk. He is whisking the cream. To season. He is seasoning the meat. To add. He is adding an egg. To dip. He is dipping the bread in the sauce. To grill. He is grilling the steak. To bake. He is baking the cake. And to sprinkle. He is sprinkling salt.